Hey CAD 103. Let's talk a little bit about the isometrics. I'm going to show you a couple of tricks, a couple of shortcuts the textbook doesn't tell you about. First of all, you got to make sure that go down in here into your snap settings. Change this to go to your first snapping grid and change this to isometric snap. Hit OK. Notice that your cursor changes. Notice that. I think the book has another way to get to it, but that's the simplest way. So just go down here, hit snap settings, change it to isometric snap. Now I'm going to go through my line command. I'm going to go ahead and turn my ortho on, which is F8. All right. Notice that as I hit F5, I'm hitting F5. Notice that it changes. This is your left, this is your right, and F5 makes sure it's your top. So if I want to draw a box, I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to go here. I'm going to hover over here for a minute and bring it down and bring it over this way, and then just do a trim. DR, enter, enter, trim, trim. All right, say I want to put a circle in the middle of this right plane. First of all, I'm going to use my O snaps to snap to get the center. Okay, so that's the center. You're going to type EL for ellipse, I for iso circle, snap right here. Now, if I hit F5, notice that it goes to the left, top, right. All right, so as I cycle through F5, that would be if I had a circle on the front, right in this area. That would be the top if I had it up in this area. And this is where we really want it right now. All right, so I'm going to click on there. Then I can get rid of these lines here, basically. I think 814 has you doing like a cylinder. So let's go to EL, enter, snap here. Oh, make sure you do iso circle after you go to ellipse. See it right here? It says iso circle. I enter. I'm going to actually do an F5. I'm going to do this on the right plane. All right, so I forget what that cylinder. I think it's a 200. It's a millimeters. Now, you can't use an offset on this, but you can use a copy. I'm going to do a copy. Snap here. All right, I'm going to snap to the middle. I'm going to change my F5. Notice that now I can go on the left side this way or this way. I'm going to pull it this way, and I can't remember the thickness of that. Let's just say it's a thickness of 50. Enter. All right, and then hit escape. Now I can trim out, TR, enter, enter. I can trim this out here, and then I can add a line. Use my snaps, add a line there, and then trim out that piece. All right, and this one we're going to let go. Okay, and I think it has a boss right here in the middle. So let's go back to ellipse, enter. We're going to hover over the center. Make sure you use iso circle. I enter. All right, hit your F5 to change to the right plane. All right, I'm not sure. I think this may be 100 millimeters. I'm not sure how long it is, but to get it right, I'm going to do a copy. And I'm going to bring it to F5. Make sure we bring it out to, we're going to try to bring it out to what, 300? I'm not sure, guys, what that boss is. And then do a snap to here, here. Oop. Not a good snap. Let's do snap here to here. And we can snap at the bottom from here to here. And then we can trim it out from here because we're not going to see any of that on the inside. You can trim that out too. Alright, and I think it's got some holes that go in here. Alright, so you can use reference geometry to get those holes when you need to. So that's how to use copy, circles, and the F5. Remember the F5, watch my cursor, it changes. So if I want to do a line, I'm going to go F5 this way, 30 degrees, F5 this way, 30 degrees. Okay, so it's pretty simple, guys. I just wanted to show you the F5 and how to do the ISO circles. Okay, I'm going to extend, EX, enter, pick that one, and then pick this one to extend, and then do a trim, TR, enter, enter. Now I've got the box except the the left side. And you can go on here to go F5 to take it that way, F5 to take it down, and so on. So it's pretty simple. And don't use the offset command. Use your copy, okay, to copy the geometry. Pretty easy. Use F5 to get to the right plane. F5 to go that way. Trim, TR, enter, enter. So basically I've made a nice little box right there. Okay? Any questions, just send me an email. Remember, use ellipse for your ISO circles. EL, enter, I for ISO circle, and then use F5 to find the right plane. Okay? And then, of course, type your diameter, whatever you need. All right, I'm here. Just shoot me an email. I'm actually going to let you guys have till Monday on your midterm. Any questions? Shoot me an email. God bless.